point of filing application, my lords, there was no income, my lords. My ITS says that I
That
was
is done. That is
Please,
done
my
at
lords.
point of time. Now 2024.
now I am
Where is enhancement now? Where is enhancement now? Now in that case,
But the reason, my
you are
lords,
entitled for-
the
No, no,
wife
then-
need to have
No,
the
no,
same status of an
that
husband,
case-
my
in
lords.
that
Not
case, you are entitled only till 2022 because 2022 you are employed now.
please, my lords.
And then
But
your court shouldn't grant maintenance after 2022. When a person who is earning 35 lakhs, why do you want still maintenance from the husband?
my lords, my humble submission is that, my lords, what I'm earning for a year, my husband earns 66 lakhs per
I
month.
don't think that is the purport of
Oh, my lords, no, that's not my intention, my lords. The reason is that, my lords,
alimony or whatever you want to
My
ask
lords,
as. But not
the wife has to
he's
be,
earning that much.
my lord.
Court has granted 90,000. Now the wife again comes before this court seeking enhancement of the maintenance that is granted by the trial court. This is nothing but a pure abuse of the process and also exploiting the provision that is for the purpose of which is for the purpose of helping a party. If every litigant starts these kind of letters, is it possible to conduct proceedings?
May I just point out few circumstances, my lord? I wrote this Persis after a long gap of 16 dates of hearing, my lord.
16 days is not a long time.
No, 16 for the purpose of cross-examination. This gentleman comes, not every time, my lord.
Every litigant who is not happy and who
Is
is not like the judicial officer is not taking up the case as per his
No, not at all.
convenience,
We are
You
available.
can't make allegations. What is the big reason for the judicial officer to act detrimental to your client's interest?
There's no, my lord, I should not say, but there's a style of working. Now, since the matter has been transferred,
If it is her style of working or his style of
he
working,
adjusted.
for yourself, whichever court's working style is.
No, not at all.
That
Not
can't
like-
be- It can't be
Not-
transferred there.
Let me take the court through all the Persis which I filed. I knew these things will come up. Therefore, at every stage, we would be filing something what was noticeable. That has never been denied by anybody. What transpired in the court now, after getting the matter transferred, on 3 dates of hearing, cross-examination has been conducted. And on this Saturday, they made a statement that they will be closing the cross-examination. This is the movement. But what do I do? We have cooperated to the maximum possible extent. Even before this court, we have been coming. No difficult. We are bound to come. Just that, my lord, we are taken for a ride. We come, we do, cross is not completed.
Both of you taken the system for a ride.
My lord, apart from appearing and conducting the matter, what else can I do? I am cooperating, my lord. Let them point out one single but I took one single date in the trial court. Nothing more than that. On every date of hearing, whenever cross was scheduled, my witness was there. But 20 minutes, 30 minutes, all of suddenly something would be said, a date would be given. 20, 30 minutes. When this court has made the matter time bound, they sought 3 dates of hearing for cross-examination. They come before this very court.
That order, I think, should have not passed. It should have not come percolated into all this.
No, my lord. They took 16 dates.
Intelligence that is shown by the court for your client is now.
My lord,
that's how
recollect.
It has gone to the extent of making allegations against the judicial officer.
My lord has seen a lot of judicial officer. I'm very sure of it, my lord. That's like we also got a lot of juniors working. Some of them, they commit some mistake, my lord. Let me point out. And now this is the greatest sign. On this Saturday, after 3 dates of continuous cross-examination, almost for 5 hours, they are done in last 3 dates of hearing. They made a statement in the trial court that they are going to close the cross-examination on this Saturday.
On both your applications, neither will enhance the maintenance nor will reduce the maintenance. Both your applications will be dismissed. Let the court decide whoever is now it's going to conclude. Let the court decide on the ultimately whether what is the maintenance that is entitled basing on the evidence. Now at this stage, on an interim application, again on a main application, how many times this exercise has to be done?
But my difficulty is that, my lord, this girl, she's very well employed. As per her admission, she's making 33 lakhs every year. She makes a false statement on oath before the trial court, not at one stance, my lord. I can take,
Ask the court to initiate.
yes, my lord.
Both of you come up with, according to them, you have suppressed.
No, my lord, let them point out.
Let both of
Yeah,
you.
let them point
And
out
let the
anything.
court, let the court take a serious view and will also
Yes,
point
my
out.
lord.
Court has to consider the scope of this petition where her wife draws an amount of 33 lakhs. Husband
Admitted.
draws a annual income of 4 crores or 5 crores.
Crores,
8
8 lakhs,
crores plus.
8 crores, 8 lakhs. my
8 crores.
Yes.
So what is this? Now why the wife is coming up for the enhancement? Your income as of now is 35 lakhs.
33, around 33
33.
lakhs.
So per
Yes,
month, how much it is? It is almost 2.5 lakhs.
Please, my lords.
And court has granted you 90,000 as maintenance. So it is coming up to how much?
My lords, my humble submission is that.
No,
my
no, it
lords,
comes to how much? It comes to more than, it's
Around
almost
3.5 lakhs, my lords.
almost 4 lakhs,
Please, my lords.
3.5, 4 lakhs.
Please, my lords.
So there are no children out of the wedlock.
No, my lords.
Now, according to you, now because my husband is earning 4 crores and 8 crores and odd, I should be granted.
My lords, my submission is that, my lords, the application has been filed in 2018, my lords. I started to earn the current amount which my lords have stated right now. It only in the year for 2022 onwards, 2023 and onwards. Till that, I was not having much income, my lords. Even my ITR speaks what I was having. I did had my businesses.
Again, false
Because-
statement.
My lords,
Sorry,
let-
my
let-
lord.
let me make
They
this-
filed their everyday assets and liability in this year, 2024. Therefore, this matter came to be decided. How can they disown? How can they say it is 2018, my lord? Very
But the affidavit has
reckless
been filed in
statement.
2022, my lords. Thereafter, after the direction of this honorable court to produce the assets and liability, because they never produced the assets and liability. This honorable court directed them. Because of that reason, the matter was pending till now in the trial court. There is a clear direction passed by this honorable
What are
court.
what are your expenditure? Why do you require 3 crores, 3 lakhs per month? What is the expenditure?
My lords,
Is it
comes around.
because because a husband is earning 9 crores or 8 crores according to you?
My lords,
You should
that-
also have proportionate. But this is very unfortunate. Court is feeling now these kind of petition just for the sake of you have money, he has money. You both of you come to the court.
Lords,
That is not the purport of interim application. What section 24 says?
Please,
read
my
it.
lords.
Was not
My
able
lords,
to maintain.
Not for
At the
clients
point
like
of time
you.
filing of an application, my
Both
lords.
your clients.
At the point of filing application, my lords, there was no income, my lords. Actually, my ITL says that I
That
was.
is done. That is
Please,
done
my
at
lords.
point of time. Now 2024.
Now I am.
Where is
having
enhancement
this.
now? Where is enhancement now? Now, in that case.
But the
you
reason,
will
my
be
lords,
entitled for-
The
No, no,
wife
then-
need to have
no,
the
no,
same status of
that
an husband, my
case-
lords,
In
not.
that case, you are entitled only till 2022. Because 2022 you are employed now.
Please, my lords.
And then
But-
you, court shouldn't grant maintenance after 2022. When a person who is earning 35 lakhs, why do you want still maintenance from the husband?
My lords, my humble submission is that, my lords, what I'm earning for a year, my husband earns 66 lakhs per
I
month.
don't think that is the purport
Oh,
of.
my lords, No, that's not my intention, my lords. The reason is that, my lords,
Alimony or whatever you want to
My
ask
lords,
as. But not.
the wife has to
He's
be,
earning that much.
my lords.
It is, no, you, out of the, I think he stayed for 6 months. That's what he was saying. on
That's
the
a wrong
last time.
statement, my
ma'am.
lords.
See,
The rate of
that's in
separation is that, my lords,
2015.
1/7/2015, my lords. Marriage is, my lords, 26/2014. It's,
It is if they themselves claim on page number 462 as their expenses of 1,15,000 per month. It is her assets and liability. It is,
The order,
it is, sorry.
there is
Neither-
order in WP number 8612.
my lords,
My lords,
page number 492, my lords. The
well, in
operating
my
portion
petition, it
at,
is page number 22.
Page number,
22 in my petition, 6222.
my lords,
petition.
4612, my lords, page number 492,
For
volume 2, my lords, volume 2. There are 2 volumes, my lords.
impugned order,
492.
impugned order is in the second volume.
Please, my lords.
Yes, give that.
It is, I made a compilation of judgments of Supreme Court which says anybody who takes the court for granted, they should be.
Not anybody, that's what I meant.
Yes, ma'am, let them point out one single instance on my part, where I lied. There's nothing as such. I'm facing cross-examination on
All
data.
documents, where is the order?
Lords, 492, my lords.
How can you find an
492.
impugned order in the second volume?
Page number 492.
Give that second writ petition.
My lord, it is in page number 22 on my compilation.
Page number,
22.
that's the one.
There is a my tender
With
the,
orders passed in,
there is a one more request, my lord. I'm relying upon the judgment of Supreme Court which categorically says anybody making the false statement, taking the court for a right, they should not be entertained. There are three direct judgments of the
with
Supreme
the
Court, my lord.
orders passed in, take that, agreed with the orders passed in. Where is IA? What is this order, in which case?
My lord, this was for the interim maintenance.
Where do you get that?
My lord, the title itself.
The agreed with orders passed
Madam.
by the trial court under section 125 CRPC, under section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act, in criminal miscellaneous number 635 of 2019, criminal miscellaneous number 293 of 2023, and MC number 6470 of 2022, dated 12th February 2024, both the wife, whereby the court had granted 90,000 as maintenance, both the husband and wife are before this court. In this case, now when this order is passed on 12th February 2024, from December 2022, she is already earning an income of 35 lakhs per annum. And apart from that, now the court has granted 90,000. Now the wife again comes before this court seeking enhancement of the maintenance that is granted by the trial court. This is nothing but a pure abuse of the process and also exploiting the provision that is for the purpose of helping a party who is not able to take care of herself because of these disputes that arose between the parties. The Honorable Apex Court and this court also in several cases has considered that while granting maintenance, court has to look into the social status and how they were leading the life before the disputes have started. All those judgments cannot be applied to a case of this nature, where a lady who is a woman who is getting a salary of 35 lakhs per annum and a monthly maintenance of 90,000 is not sufficient to her. In fact, when this matter came up on the last occasion, this court has expressed that the court would dismiss these applications with the exemplary cause. However, taking a lenient view, this court is not imposing the cause, and this court feels that this is not the case where wife is entitled for enhancement of the maintenance, and accordingly, her appeal seeking enhancement is dismissed. Next, coming to the writ petition of the husband. Husband questions the order on the same grounds which were earlier urged by him, where he wanted a perjury proceedings to be initiated, where the court said that would be taken up at an appropriate time. In spite of that, with the same stand, one after the other, he is coming before the court. First, he wants the writ petition, the MC itself to be disposed of. For that, he says that he cannot, he resides in Bangalore, Mumbai, he cannot come to Bangalore. So some timeline should be prescribed for conducting the cross-examination, or else it should be done through video conferencing, or a commissioner shall be appointed.